Hi, today I'm ready for Motorola Moto G62 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So first let's open the box. Let's check this paper box. Here we can find the SIM eject tool, quick start guide, safety guide, and the warranty card. So also we got here the silicone protective case. Let's use it. The next thing, this is the adapter, the charger brick, Motorola original charger brick with all of the specs. Also we can find here the USB Type-C cable, and the next thing, this is the headphones. So that's it. That's all of the accessories with which our device comes in the box by default. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.